Welcome to Silverpunk. Today I'm going to show you how I sandcast my silver art panels. This was a scary looking piece, something I've been really looking forward to getting on with. Look how cool it is. I'm going to create, obviously it's a Halloween inspired portrait, and I took a little direction from a certain famous doctor.
I ate his liver with some fava beans and a nice Chianti.
Thank you, Dr Lecter. So the first job is to get some powder on it, and I'm using corn flour here. Now this just stops it sticking in the sand when you try and get the print out later. Now I just put a little bit of masking tape over the half of the pour hole there. That just keeps the sand in when I'm compressing it so none spills out. Now the first layer over the 3D print I use a sieve, and I sieve it nice and fine so I get a crisp impression. And then after that I just keep on compressing sand on top until it's all filled up. Now this first little layer, I hold the print in place as you can see, and I just push down as hard as I can round it, trying to ensure that the print doesn't move so it's nice and stable in the mould.
Stop! Hammer time!
Now I just keep on going until that half of the flask is all filled up. Now it's compacted, I just scrape off the excess and get it nice and flat on the top. And now I put some more powder on and just repeat the process on the top half of the flask. So here we go, let's see if it works. Yeah, not too shabby. There we go. Now it's time for me to make the channel where the silver's going to flow into the mould, and I just use my thumb and the little knife to do this. Best tools for the job in my view. We'll have it. We'll see if the mould and the sandcast worked. I'm using the trusty masking tape to pull it out. Oh, yeah, there we go. A little bit of breakage on the edge, as you can see, but I'm just pushing that in, but not bad at all. Look at that bad boy. Now it's time to do some vent holes. This just lets the steam escape when you're doing the pour, and it just gets, in my view, it just makes the pour go a lot better, gets rid of the steam. And that was the shed door opening.
I ate his liver with some fava beans and a nice Chianti.
If you've enjoyed that poll, check this 4-piece panel out. Una and the Dragon. It's a really cool piece of art, this one.